Today, I am going to show you the secret behind this viral story. You must have received the message from your friends where a random meme page must have posted a story with your profile picture in that, and you would have been surprised after watching that. Well, this is because of the new Instagram comment sticker, which is now available in some parts of the world like Indonesia. But since I am making this video in India, so it is currently not available over here. But across the world, there is a similar sticker named Ask Me a Question sticker, which is available. So I am gonna walk you through that and help you understand this phenomena through that. So when you post a question, your profile picture appears on the top of the dialog box and all your friends will see a dialog box with your profile picture on it. In short, everyone who visits the story sees the profile picture of the person who has posted the story on Ask Me a Question dialog box or sticker or whatever you call it. But in the comment sticker, it is just the opposite. Instead of the person who posted the story, you will see your image on the left side of the dialog box. Also, in the question sticker, you can see that your profile picture appears on the top of the dialog box, but in the comment dialog box, it appears on the left side. Therefore, the admins have cropped the right part of the comment sticker, which was not required, out of the frame and used the white background to mix the comment sticker with the background, resulting in a story where everyone sees their replica and gets surprised. If you like the video, then send it to the person who you think needs to know this, which is basically everyone right now. Also, subscribe to the channel for more latest Instagram updates.